Welcome back to our Facebook and Instagram ads beginners course, and in this particular video I'll be showing you how to boost your Instagram profile to gain more followers using Instagram ads. And also to point out, this particular video is part of a complete course on Facebook and Instagram ads for beginners, and I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to access other videos available under this particular course. So yeah, to be able to boost your Instagram profile to gain more followers using Instagram ads, you get to do this via the Instagram app. So you need to download the Instagram app and also log in into your business Instagram profile on your Instagram app. So I already have my business Instagram profile is logged in into this particular app. So as you can see professional dashboard, meaning that this particular Instagram profile is actually a business profile. So if you have a personal profile, you need to convert that personal profile into a professional profile so that you can be able to run Instagram ads. So with that being said, to run Instagram ads, I need to find the post that I want to use, that I want to boost to get more people to follow my Instagram profile. So I'll be selecting this particular post. Under each post, you get to see boost post view insight. So that means you can use any post at all. So but I'll be using this particular post. Then I'll click on boost post. So once I click on boost post, the first option I get to see is the option to select go. So Instagram is trying to find out what is my objective, what do I want to achieve via this particular ad. So there are three options I can select from for Instagram ads. The first one is more profile visits, the second one is website visits, and the third one is more messages. So we are going for profile visit because we want to boost our profile and get people to visit our profile and follow our page. So that's the option I'll be selecting. But if you want to direct people to a different website, you go for website visit. If you want people to DM you, you go for more messages. So yeah, I'll be going for profile visit. Then I'll click on next. So the next option is to define your audience. The first thing you see is special requirements. Special requirements is if your page or the ad that you want to run falls under any of these options, which is credit card, loans, employment, housing, social issues, election, or politics. So if your profile, your Instagram profile, or your ads in particular falls under any of these, you need to select this, because if you don't select this, Meta will not approve your ads. So yeah, this particular campaign, this particular page, this particular profile, Instagram profile doesn't fall under any of these options. So I'll move to creating of my audience. So as you can see, it's already on automatic, but I can actually create mine. So to create mine, I just click on create your own. So once I click on create my own, it takes me to the page where I get to create audience. So the first thing I see is use advantage plus audience, which is also on by default. So what that means is that you're giving Facebook the opportunity to actually decide the kind of audience that they show your ads to. But I don't want to do that. I want to select my audience manually by myself. So I'll just have to off that. So once I off that, I see the options available for me to select. So once I click on location, which is the first option, I get to target the location that I want to get people to follow my Instagram profile. So it's broken down into two options: regional and local. So yeah, so under regional, what you get under regional is when you want to target countries, regions, cities. So but under local, local is when you want to like break it down to a specific area, a specific geographic area that you just want your ad to show on. Yeah, but I'll be going with regional because we are trying to boost our Instagram profile. So I'll just select Lagos, which is the city where I'm currently based in. So Lagos, Nigeria region, then Lagos, Nigeria city. So I'll be going for Lagos, Nigeria city. Yeah. So the estimated audience size is great. It's between 3.7 million people to 4.3 million people. So I just click on done. But if I want to add other areas, I can actually select other areas. Let's say, for example, I search for Abuja, Nigeria city. I'll just select Abuja, Nigeria city. So it adds up and the audience size tends to like increase. So I click on done. When I'm done, then I have to select the interest. So let's say, for example, I want to some specific kind of people to follow me. These are the kind of people that I want them to follow me. This is where I actually target them. So let me try something. Let me try married. So let's say, for example, I just want married people to follow me, or just single people to follow me, or just people who just got married, depending on what my business or my page is all about. So I'll just select just married. So once you select just married, the audience size drops down. Yeah, because you are becoming more and more specific now. So the more audience you add, is it either goes up or it goes down depending on the category of people and the number of people available under that particular interest. So when I'm done, I just click on done. Then I'll select my age and gender. So if I want a particular age to be the ones to see my ads, to follow my page, my Instagram profile, then this is where I do that. And once I become more specific in terms of age and gender, you get to see that the audience size also either increases or decreases as well. So I just click on done. This is the age and gender I want to go with. Then I just click on done. They say add a name to the audience you created. So they want me to add a name. So profile visits. So let me save that as profile visit. So the reason why they're telling me to add a name is so that I can reuse that particular audience another time. So I just click on done. So once I click on done, I've selected okay, profile visits, the audience is already selected. Then I'll click on next. So once I click on it, this is where I get to select my budget and the duration of the ad. The settings is based on a daily budget, not really a lifetime budget. So for Instagram ads, you can only use the daily budget. Yeah, so I'll just select daily budget of 8,000. Let me say this is my daily budget, and then I want to run it for 7 days. Then I set it for 7 days. So this is the number of people that I can reach on a daily basis based on this particular budget, 11,000 to 28,000 estimated reach. Yeah, so this is the budget that is going to cost for over 7 days, which is 58,000. Yeah. So and also there is an Apple service fee. So if you are advertising via your Apple device, your iOS device, iOS like Apple gets to also charge you their service fee as well. Yeah. So I'll click on next. So once I click on next, I get to review everything that I've set up, just like the way it works on the Ad Manager app. So I get to review that, and then as you can see, payment method available funds 0 naira. That means this particular ad account has not been funded yet. Yeah. So if I want to add funds, I just click on add funds. So it takes me to a page where I can actually do that. So it asks me for some information. Paying for ads in iOS app has changed. So the Apple now charges like service fee. They just want me to comply to be sure that I understand what I'm doing. So they say that I'll pay for ads before they run and all of that. Yeah. So I'll just click on next. So once I click on next, this is where I get to also check to be sure, okay, this is the Apple fee, this is the funds that I want to add to my ad account, this is the fee that Apple wants to charge, this is the estimated tax, like a whole lot of taxes that Apple is charging here. So if you want to actually like stay away from this, there's a way to go about it. You can run this particular ad via instagram.com instead of having to use the app. Yeah, to be able to avoid this particular fee, you can either run via your Android device, which is not an Apple, or you can run via Instagram.com. This is how you avoid this Apple service fee. But in the case of this video, I'll just leave that aside. Then if this is okay by me, I'll click on pay and boost. So once I click on pay and boost, it goes on that review, and after review your ads goes live. So this is how you boost your Instagram profile to gain more followers using Instagram ads. So if this video has been insightful and helpful to you, I would like you to please subscribe to our channel. And the reason why is because we upload a new video every single week on our channel. Yeah. And also, just like we do on our channel, we do recognize the subscriber of the month. The subscriber of the month is someone who has viewed the most of our videos. So we do recognize and give back to them. So we give them meta credits that they can use to promote their business, and also the opportunity to also select and tell us the title or the topic he or she wants us to do a video on in the coming week. So yeah, they get these two things. And to be able to qualify for this, there is a card we leave at every single video that we've created. You can probably you've seen that particular card while watching this video. If you skipped it, you can go back, click on that particular card so that you can identify that you actually watched this particular video. So this card is available on all of our videos, so you can actually go there and identify you've actually watched these videos. So at the end of the month, we will declare who is the winner, and then the person gets a Meta credit and then gets a shout out and also the opportunity to tell us what video he or she wants us to do. Yeah, with that being said, lastly, I'll be leaving a link in the description in case if you want to schedule for a 30-minute strategy session with me. Maybe there's something that you want to ask me, you want to have a conversation around advertising, about Meta, about marketing in general for your business. You can use that particular link to schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me so that we can sit down and discuss. Yeah, with that being said, till our next video, peace out.